Hello students, I, Priyanka, your class teacher, is here again. I hope you all are well. Today we are going to start a new chapter of your EVS book, Days to Celebrate. Days to Celebrate, which means festivals. Students, a festival is an event which is usually celebrated by a community as a local or national event. India is a country of many people living in different customs and different religions. Living together in a society encourages families to celebrate religious and national festivals together. The main religious and national festivals and their celebrations are: first of all, we will learn about religious festivals. Dasara. Dasara is a famous and religious Hindu festival of our country. The festival is celebrated with great rejoice in other countries like Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh too. On this day, Ram killed Ravana in Lanka. The effigy of Ravana is burnt just as the evil is burnt out in each and every one of us. It is also known as Vijayadashami. Diwali. Diwali is one of the most popular festivals of Hindus. It is celebrated every year with great joy and enthusiasm in the country. Diwali, the festival of light. On the dark night of Ashwin Amavasya, Lakshmi Puja is celebrated. Students, the festival of Diwali marks the happy return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. This festival is one of the most important festivals that is celebrated throughout the country. Everywhere lights and lanterns are lit up. This festival is carried on for 4 days. Children burst crackers and elders exchange sweets, greet friends and relatives. Deepavali means a row or collection of lamps. Eid. Ramzan Eid is an important festival of Muslims. This Eid marks the end of Ramadan. After the month of Ramzan or the month of fasting, people celebrate Eid after seeing the moon in the sky. After the month of Ramzan or the month of fasting, people celebrate Eid. All the Muslims go to the masjid to pray. Guru Nanak Jayanti. Guru Purab is also known as Guru Nanak Jayanti. Children, you know Guru Nanak was the founder of Sikh religion. Guru Nanak's birthday is celebrated as Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is one of the biggest festival of Sikhs. Guru Nanak was the first Sikh Guru. It is celebrated in full moon night of Kartik. Prayers are offered at Gurudwaras. They also served food or langar to the devotees. Christmas. Christmas is very important festival for the Christians. It falls every year on 25th of December. Jesus Christ was born on 25th of December. His birthday is celebrated as Christmas. Christians go to church and pray. They make sweets and distribute them among friends and relatives. You know, there is a big tradition of distributing gifts at midnight of Christmas Eve by Santa Claus. Christians decorate their homes with Christmas trees. Student, this was all about today's video. We will continue in our next video. Thank you and stay safe.